So, I'm on my wonderful business trip to Singapore, and I made it to the MacRitchie Reservoir. It's where Singapore gets a majority of its drinking water. It's a huge freshwater reserve in the center of the island. Go home to some pretty cool monkeys, so hopefully I'm going to run into a couple. Sonny, you're going to be sad you missed this. After walking around for a while, I finally found one. So that's epic. I'm editing this as soon as I get back to the hotel and putting it on for all of you to see. Because I was walking along, heard a monkey, looked up, fell off the plank. This is the fall. Tore up my leg. I don't know if you can see it. Tore my pants in the middle. That's going to be interesting going home in the cab. Looked like I crapped myself all over my pants. But I got a shot of the monkey and his girlfriend, apparently. Or boyfriend. Yeah. These macaque monkeys are very aggressive. They'll run up on you, take your food, scratch you. There's actually been a story of a lady getting 13 stitches after a monkey attack here. I found a baby. But I couldn't see his or her mother. So I decided, move on out. And then I heard his mom shake the limbs, and I said, you know what? I don't want a monkey fight tonight. So all in all, it was a cool adventure seeing monkeys in the wild.